Vega Designs, we now have clients coast to coast. Right here with our 21st state, this Tesla Model X came all the way in from California to receive a full stealth Uniden R9W installation right here in Nashville, Tennessee. In this build, from front to rear, you're gonna see a full stealth countermeasure installation. In the front, we have 4 pods with those diffusers fully protecting, along with a stealth radar. In the rear, we're gonna have a stealth rear bumper radar, as well as no pods for that rear defense. I'm excited for you to see how we kept that factory look while still giving the best performance. So now, let's talk about the front of this Tesla. We have a custom designed aluminum bracket that is perfectly angled behind the bumper, which is gonna allow that radar defense. And then we have 4 diffusers built into custom 3D pods. Now, you might notice that we have done some stealth installations on a couple Teslas. We love Teslas, we are experts in that design and build, and even though we have seen a 26 Model X Plaid previously, this still gets the one-of-a-kind experience. Why? Because every vehicle comes with different leveling from factory. So this Model X, and all the way from California, had its own custom jig to allow us to make sure that every single diffuser is positioned exactly to the degree as it needs to be. And that's why people from coast to coast choose Vega Designs. So here we are at the rear of this Tesla. A lot of times when people are doing countermeasure installations, you're gonna find pods tucked into the corner or on a license plate bracket. We wanted to go to the next level. Take a look at where those rear reflectors are located. So down here, we removed the rear reflectors and we completely rebuilt them out of a 3D printed part. So right here, this is an entirely new piece with that IR acrylic finish that's gonna give great defense and proper angling, but also keep the back of this Model X looking completely factory. One of my favorite things about full countermeasure stealth installations is when people try and find the different parts of the build. So we had someone in the shop today that did a walk around and asked if I was sure that we did a stealth countermeasure installation. And yeah, I am. But that's the beauty of the Vega Designs countermeasure experience. We love what we do and we're always pushing to the next level. So right here, everything looks factory from this Model X. But now, let's open up this console. And here is my controller and my keypad. So much fun to work with clients in the consultation and see the experience they're looking for as the driver. Some drivers are gonna want that display on top of their steering column. Others are gonna want it somewhere high and to the right or fabricated otherwhere within. And some clients want it fully stealth when I'm sitting driving, that it looks exactly factory, like I got it from the dealership. And that's when we get the opportunity to do really cool installations like you see here. Right here, I'm at our 3D printing station. You're gonna see 2 different types of 3D printers from Bamboo Labs, and they were all hard at work for this build. We started with our test mock-up pods that went in to our second series and our final finished pods that were made for this build. When we do a full stealth countermeasure installation, we're gonna be spending over 40 hours in this build with the goal of it not being visible and almost like we were never even in the vehicle. It's time to verify. You need to make sure if you're getting countermeasure, how is it being tested on the back end? So we actually test in-house. We're big believers in investing in our technology and our training because we always want to deliver the best to our client. So this is going to be an example of that. We're about to head out to test, and we are going to do that with agency utilized equipment. So you're going to see everything from a Stalker XLR, a Pro Laser 4, and the toughest to beat on the market, the Dragon Eye. When you're looking at countermeasure, there's the ability to make a system go off. A lot of times they're going to be sold with like a deck of cards size piece of equipment that's going to give enough frequency in order for the system to see that it's being hit. But there's a difference between just making sure that a system can detect something and making sure the system can detect what it's truly going to see out in the real world. And so we're really big on making sure that that can happen. And that's what you're going to see right here as we go to put it to the test.
Solid.
Hit. We are so far from testing right now, and they're up on a hill. Amazing. This 2026 Tesla Model X Plaid just finished its verification and all its testing out on the road, and it was rock solid. So our 21st state build is complete. It's gonna head home. If you want to be our 22nd state, give us a call at 615-806-9081 and experience the Vega difference.